Hey bitch, you missed me? Can't believe I made it here. Oh my god. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you this look. I haven't come up with a name for this look yet, so you'll see the name in the title, but I'm not going to say it because I don't know what it is yet. I don't list a lot of names of the products that I'm using in this video, so you'll just see those. You will see the product, you'll see the names, okay? But they won't be in this video because they're going to be in the description there. You scroll just a little bit and then it's right there. I am just gonna put my shades back on. You guys can just enjoy the video. Okay, so for primer today, I'm going to be using the Porefessional by Benefit. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, the matte one. This is a little dark for me, so I'm going to be mixing that in with NYX Total Drop Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera so the video isn't 12 hours long. We're back. Since this foundation is extremely matte,
very full coverage,
I'm going to be using just a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna take, oh my, it's not in the house, it's not in the house, girl. Chill out, baby girl. Not today. A little dot of it right there. I like to take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is Fair Clair. I don't know why I keep reading out the shades of my foundations and concealers because most of you watching are probably not as light as me. I'm going to blend that with my Shape Tape. I feel like it just makes it less full coverage. Shape Tape is very full coverage and the foundation I'm using is very full coverage, so I feel like this just kind of tones it down a little bit. I don't know. So for bake, I am going to be using the Fit Me loose powder. I'm gonna put that on. Okay, that is there anything in there? Oh yeah, there is. I just have to shake it. I'm a little slow. That is so much. This is a video. You have to put too much of everything on your face. I'll be using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. Concealing my brows, I'm using the Shape Tape again. Now for brow gel, I'm using my Maybelline Brow Drama. Priming my lids with Age Rewind. The palette we're using today is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Going in with this shade right here. And I'm only using a little bit because I'm using it as a transition shade. I'm picking up this shade right here and I'm just going to sweep that on my crease. This shade right here and using a smaller brush to really deepen up that crease even more, I'm going in with the darkest purple in this palette. To cut my crease, I am taking Shape Tape and my white brush that I use to shape my eyebrows. Usually when I cut the crease, I like to put the shadow that I'm using immediately on, so we're going to do that before we cut the other crease. I'm using the NYX Love You So Mochi palette. I recently got this. The shades are so buttery and so nice. The shade that I'm going to be using for the lid is this shade right here. I'm only taking this shade to the outer corner because we're going to be using a different shade for the inner portion. And I'm going to take this shade. It is number 1 in the palette. I'm going to be taking the color in the center. This is number 3. And I'm just going to take that pink color because it kind of matches the crease. And I feel like it would look really nice on the bottom. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using Metal Crush by Kat Von D, and as you can tell, I have used this one quite a lot. I really love it. Going in with the shade Gamma Ray, and it's just this pink color. I'm going to be using Ardell Whispies and Duo Lash Glue. Popped on my lashes, put a little mascara on, and now I'm going to be putting on my baby lips crystals. Whew. So I think that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you do have any suggestions or comments for other looks I can create, comment them down below. I hope you keep watching my videos. I keep slapping my leg. I'll see you guys later.